Okay, this is Dee from the Fishing Gardeners, and you go ahead and we're taking some sand and putting it around the border. And ladies, make sure that you help your husband out here. See, this is my wonderful husband right here, and doing helping with the gardening work. And I'm about to help him. Okay, so let's go. And I know it doesn't seem like I'm doing much, ladies, but I'm helping. So you can never say that you can't help at all. A little is better than nothing. I guess to him it may not seem like nothing right now, but hey, I'm helping some kind of way. All right, you go ahead and have a nice day. I'll bring you another video of our upgrades of our garden back here. We're putting some trees into the ground, so I'll bring you a video on that. And let me help you a little bit more. All right, I think my work is done for today. You have a nice day. Goodbye.